In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, paste, and cut Google Drive files. By the end, you'll be comfortable duplicating files, moving them into the right folders, and keeping your drive organized with just a few clicks and keyboard shortcuts. Start by opening the Google Apps menu. That's the grid of small dots you'll see in the top right corner of most Google pages, like the home page or Gmail. Click that, then choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where you can see your folders and files. Now locate the specific file you want to work with. You can browse your folders or use the search bar at the top if you know the file's name. When you've found it, click once to select it. To see more options, click the three dots next to the file name. This opens the More Actions menu. If you want to create a duplicate right away, choose Make a Copy from this menu. Drive will instantly create a duplicate in the same location, usually named Copy Of, followed by your original file's name. This is helpful when you want a backup before making changes. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut to copy. With the file selected, press Ctrl+C. If you're on a Mac, press Command+C. This tells Drive to copy the file, but it won't appear anywhere new until you paste it. To paste your copy into a specific folder, navigate to that folder in Drive and open it. Once you're inside the destination folder, press Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. You'll see the file appear there. If you used Make a Copy earlier, you can also drag that new copy into a different folder, but pasting is fast and precise when you already know where you want it. Now, let's move a file using Cut. Select the file you want to move and press Ctrl+X or Command+X on a Mac. This prepares the file to be moved rather than duplicated. Head to the folder where you want the file to live, open it and press Ctrl+V or Command+V. The file is now in the new location and will no longer remain in the original folder. If you're moving shared files, make sure you have the necessary permissions to move them. That's it. With the Google Apps menu and a few shortcuts, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and Ctrl+X, you can copy, paste, and cut files in Google Drive quickly and confidently.